Hey, what's up, guys? So, I'm gonna be doing this split tiger face thing because I was on TikTok and all I hear is that Carol Baskin song, and I know this is like a very old video that I have not edited or posted. So, this is how I started it. So, first I lined up how I wanted it to be, and then I put liquid latex so it could be like a ripped effect, I guess you can say. So yeah, and then after that, I put like scratch marks on the side that was gonna be the human side. So then next, I let it dry and I pulled some of it out so it can be like a little rip effect, like I said earlier. And on the tiger side, I didn't glue up my eyebrow because I've tried glue, well, the glue that I have in my house, and it never works. So I use soap. So yeah, that's what I do. So then I had already did the places that I wanted to do white, and I was using a paintbrush, which bad idea, did not do anything. And I took some orange face paint and I started filling in all the spots that I wanted orange. And then I took another brush and I started brushing in the white, and I also took some white to like kind of like make it like hair like strokes around the hairs. So I did the black off camera, and I put foundation, so I'm gonna start on this side. This. Then I put the Morphe bronzer on there in Icon, and I know you can't tell that it's Morphe because the Morphe sign kind of fell off. But yeah, and then I took my little scalpel thing. I don't know what the heck to call it, but anyways, I took that and I started peeling off the liquid latex a little bit so I can start putting the blood and, well, fake blood and inside to make it look like I was scratched. And I use that little sponge thingy. That's the makeup look. The Carol Baskin. So, move my shirt on real quick and I'll be back. So, here's my shirt on. So, yeah, this is the end of the makeup look. Leave a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. So, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Carol Baskin killed her husband, whacked him. Can't convince me that it didn't happen. Fed them to tigers, they snacking. What's happening? Carol Baskin.
Please don't come after me. I know that's not my foundation color. I bought new foundation and it just came in today. So yeah, I know that it doesn't match me, and I'm sorry. My tan kind of got away. I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. And I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And I hope you guys enjoy more videos of mine. Thank you, and have a nice day, night, evening, wherever you are, and stay safe out there.